Without WH questions, we had have no way to ask about people, places, regions or actions. It would be like trying to solve a puzzles with no clues. Hi everyone and welcome back. If you have been following this series, you know WH questions are the foundation of effective communication. In part 1, we explored who, what, where and when that let you discover people, things, places and times. In part 2, we will focus on 4 more WH questions: why, whose, how and whose. These are just as important because they help us dig deeper, finding reasons, making choices, learning methods and identifying ownership. Let's get started. Let's begin with why. This WH word helps us explore reason and understand the causes behind actions or events. It's a question of curiosity. For example, why are you learning English? This asks about your motivation. A possible answer might be because I want to travel and communicate confidently. The next question is, why do plants need sunlight? This asks about natural processes. The answer could be because sunlight helps them make food through photosynthesis. The next is, why didn't you come to the picnic? You are asking for the reason behind someone's absence. They might say, I was busy with work. The next is, why do people celebrate birthdays? This is a question about traditions. Someone might reply, because it's a way to show love and appreciation for life. Asking why helps you discover the reasons and motivation behind everything from personal decisions to natural phenomena. Next, let's talk about whose. This word is help you when you are choosing from specific options. It's all about making decisions. For example, which color do you like more, red or blue? This question asks for your preference. A simple answer could be, I like blue more. Another question is, which team won the match? Team A or Team B? You are asking for a result. Someone might reply, Team A won. It was a great game. The next is, which path should we take? The shortcut or the scenic route? This is about choosing the best option. Someone might suggest, let's take the scenic route. It's more relaxing. The next is, which mobile phone is better for photography? You are comparing options. The answer might be, the XYZ model has a better camera. Whenever you are faced with choices, which is your go-to word? It helps you decide wisely. Our third WH question is how. This is one of the most versatile WH questions, helping us understand methods, processes, conditions, and even quantities. For example, how do you make pasta? You are asking for the steps in a process. The answer might be, boil water, cook the pasta, and then add sauce. The next is, how are you feeling today? This is about someone's condition. A reply could be, I'm feeling great, thank you. The next is, how much time does it take to learn English? This asks about duration. Someone might say, it depends on your practice, but 6 months is a good start. The next is, how can I prepare for the IELTS speaking test? You are asking for advice. Someone might suggest, practice speaking daily, record yourself, and get feedback from others. How is your all-purpose questions for understanding the world, from methods to emotions to measurements. Finally, let's look at whose. This WH word helps you ask about ownership or responsibility. It's especially useful in daily life. For example, whose jacket is this? You are asking about the owner. Someone might reply, it's mine. The next is, whose idea was it to plan this trip? This identifies responsibility. The reply could be, it was our friend's idea. The next is, whose phone is ringing? You are asking about ownership. Someone might say, oh, it's my phone. The next is, whose turn is it to wash the dishes? You are identifying responsibility. Someone might answer, it's my turn today. Whenever you want to know who something belongs to or who is responsible, Whose is the perfect question to use? That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe. See ya in the next video.